Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the exact rage error message displayed in Fivem logs. Open the Fivem application folder and find the crash logs folder. Check Citizen FX. Log and game. Log for module failures or missing files. Note error codes and affected resources to guide the troubleshooting steps. Confirm your GTAV installation is intact by verifying integrity in Steam. Make a quick screenshot or copy of the logs for later reference. Gather system details like Windows version, GPU model, RAM amount, and CPU speed. Run Fivem as administrator and ensure antivirus is not blocking its files. Temporarily disable antivirus or add Fivem to exclusions and firewall allowed apps. Verify GTAV and Fivem file integrity and reinstall any corrupted files you find. Clear any modified files in the game directory that conflict with Fivem. Update DirectX, Visual C++ redistributables, and GPU drivers to latest versions. Reboot the PC after updates to finalize driver installations and system changes. Then relaunch Clear Fivem cache by deleting the cache folder in the Fivem application directory. Reinstall the Fivem client completely if cache clearing does not resolve the error. Install required dependencies like NET updates and Visual C++ x64 redistributables if missing. Roll back recent mods or server changes that started before the rage error appeared. Test on a different Fivem server to isolate server-specific issues versus client problems. Collect logs, screenshots, and system specs to report when contacting server admins or Fivem support. Provide error code.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.